Do you remember our solid, super quiet lifters for the 5.7 HEMI engine? Sadly, it was a total failure. Today, I will show you what went wrong in the test, where we made a mistake, and how we are going to fix it. As you remember, the main idea was to remove the rollers from the original lifter and use the oil passage from the MDS system to fill the lifter and also to lubricate the working surface between the lifters and the cam lobes. For the test, we chose a 2014 Dodge Charger with about 300,000 km on it. This car had a hard life and clearly had lifter problems. The rollers were already in bad condition, with very huge play. In theory, a perfect car for our test. To make the test fair, we did a lot of work. First, we rebuilt the cylinder heads. I installed new oil pump, new timing set, new camshaft, all new gaskets, and at the end we flushed the engine with fresh oil. And then the moment of truth. We start the engine and it started to knock very loudly. At first we thought, okay, it will bleed off, oil will fill the oil cavities and then it will get quiet, but no, the noise got worse. So we decided to stop it and take it apart. After removing the heads again, we saw this. As you can see, there are huge signs of rubbing on all cams and all tappets. But instead of giving up, I started to analyze it and look for the real cause. Behind me you can see a very precise measuring microscope. I measured the cam lobe profile and it's stupid to admit, but I missed a very important detail here, like amateur, honestly. The cam lobe, in these areas, here and here, is flat, and to work correctly with the solid lifters it should be slightly convex. And that was enough to make the lifter, instead of sliding on the oil film, hit the camshaft with impact on each rotation. These impacts immediately cause material chipping, oil contamination, blocked oil channels, and finally seizure, like we have here. Well, in Poland, we say that only the person who does nothing makes no mistakes. It's clear that we have to use rollers now, so I went back to the design and made a new concept, which you can see here. The new design uses a very strong rollers from Japanese manufacturer of precision bearings, and we will again use the MDS oil passage to feed the lifter through this hole and through this second hole here to spray oil directly onto the roller at the contact point with the cam lobe. And this is very important, because in the stock HEMI engine there is no direct lubrication to the rollers. The oil is splashed from the crankshaft and that's all. A direct oil nozzle are standard in many other engine designs like BMW, Audi or Mercedes. And this lubrication works really well. The new design is ready and we are starting work on the next prototypes. But I won't lie, this is a very expensive process. For us right now, it's simply too expensive. That's why, after advice from my friend, I started a crowdfunding campaign on Kickstarter. In Poland, small companies like mine do not have real support for projects like this. So if you want to finish it, we need your help. I want this to be clear and simple. Your support works like pre-order. Treat it as upfront payment or reservation of a set of 16 lifters for your engine, at special price of 2000 zlotys or $550. We'll use this money directly for the next prototypes, measurements, testing, so we can finish the development and start the real production. In return, after we reach the goal, we commit to deliver the full lifter set within 2 or 3 months. If you want to support us, the link to our project is in the description below. Thank you in advance and see you!